Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple carrot cake, and these are the ingredients I'm gonna use. I have vanilla essence that I'm gonna use only a quarter of this top. Then I have my baking powder. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. I have my 3 eggs. I have 3/4 of my not a 3/4 but a half of my cooking oil. I have sugar, half glass, 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, and my 3 carrots. So I'm going to use a blender for blending this. Then I'm going to add the dry ingredients after. So let's start. So I'm going to take my carrots, put them there, my oil, my eggs, and lastly my vanilla essence. So I'm gonna blend them together. Yes, this is my all-purpose flour. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my baking powder and my sugar. Then mix them well before adding the blended ingredients. When you blend the ingredients, this is what you should be getting. Not very soft. So we are going to add as we mix. I'm gonna add half cup of water. This is still heavy. This is the consistency that I wanted. So the water that I've used is 3/4 of the cup. So the mixture is ready. My baking tray also is ready. And as I was doing all this, mixing my ingredients, I had left my oven preheating. So I'm going to put my mixture here. So I'm going to bake my cake for 20 to 25 minutes for a temperature of 180 degrees. So let me bake it. So guys, this is our cake, our carrot cake. It's ready, as you can see. So I'm going to turn it. Looks like. So it's so spongy. The cake is so spongy, very, very spongy. You can see, even from the inside, how spongy it looks. Look at this. Very spongy. This is the upper part. And this is the downer part. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. And let's meet in my next video. Until next time, bye.